Honda key fob repairs are achievable for under $10, focusing on battery, button pad, and case issues. Most fobs like Civic and Accord from 2010 to 2025 use similar designs, making fixes broadly applicable. You'll typically need a CR2032 battery costing about $1 to $2, a small screwdriver, and optionally super glue or a 3D printed case for damaged ones costing $5 to $8 online. This video covers common issues and how to solve them cheaply, including dead batteries, stuck buttons, and cracked cases. Don't discard fobs, repair them to reduce e-waste. New models with proximity sensors may need specialized tools. First, open the fob with a flat screwdriver to access the CR2032 battery. Replace it to restore power and test by pressing buttons. If buttons are sticky, clean the rubber pad with isopropyl alcohol or replace with a $4 universal pad from Amazon. Use a plastic tool to avoid circuit board damage. For cracked cases, glue with superglue or epoxy for $1 to $2, or replace with a 3D printed case from Etsy or Thingiverse. Avoid electrostatic discharge by grounding yourself. Repairs take 10 to 20 minutes with discount parts.